In today's video, we will be showcasing 5 houses in the parish of Manchester. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. Also feel free to comment below telling us which of these 5 houses caught your attention. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. House number 1. For house number 1, it's a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house located in the gated community of Moorlands Manor in Mandeville, Manchester. It's selling for 45 million Jamaican dollars with a square footage of 6,500 square feet. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next, we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 5 were shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of the 6 bathrooms, only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And that will then bring us to the end of the tour for house number 1. House number 2. This is a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Arizona Heights in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is 6,241 square feet and it's being sold for 45 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the veranda. Here we have the living area. Next is the dining area. And this is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third. Fourth bedroom. And this is the 5th bedroom. This house has 6 bedrooms, however, only 5 were shown. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of the 5 bathrooms, only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And that would be the end of the tour for house number 2. House number 3. For house number 3, it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found in Pigeon Grove in Hatfield, Manchester. This house sits on approximately 14,000 square feet of land and is being sold for 60 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a closer look. First, we have the kitchen. There were no images provided for the living and dining area. Up next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of the 4 bedrooms, only 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. And that's the end of house number 3. We move right along to house number 4. House number 4 is another 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in West Mews in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is 2,364 square feet and is currently on the market for 38 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this stunning house. First, we have the veranda. And next is the first living area. We then move on to living area number 2. Next is the dining area. And followed by that is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here is bedroom number 1. This is the second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Out of the 4 bathrooms, only 2 were shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. That would then bring us to the end of the tour for house number 4. House number 5. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is located on Ingleside Drive in Mandeville, Manchester. This house has 3,757 square feet of living space and is on the market for 77 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedroom. Out of the 4 bedrooms, only 1 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. That will then bring us to the end of the tour of house number 5. This also brings us to the end of this video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.